Imagine a Japan closed off from the world for centuries, a land of samurai, feudal lords, and ancient traditions. Now picture that same nation transforming into a modern empire in just a few decades. This is the story of the Meiji era, a time of radical change, innovation, and rebirth. From 1868 to 1912, Japan underwent one of the most dramatic transformations in history. It was a period that saw the end of samurai rule, the rise of industrialization, and the birth of a nation eager to stand shoulder to shoulder with the world's greatest powers. Let's dive into the story of the Meiji Restoration and discover how Japan turned its black and white past into a vibrant, colorful future. The Meiji era began with a revolution. In 1868, the Tokugawa shogunate, which had ruled Japan for centuries, was overthrown. But this wasn't just a change in leadership. It was a complete overhaul of Japanese society. The samurai class, once the backbone of the nation, saw their privileges stripped away. The feudal system was dismantled, and a centralized government took its place. They sent scholars, diplomats, and engineers abroad to learn from Europe and America. They brought back ideas, technology, and a vision for a new Japan. The results were astonishing. Railways crisscrossed the country, connecting cities and fueling trade. Factories sprang up, turning Japan into an industrial powerhouse. Western-style education systems were introduced, and a new generation of Japanese citizens emerged, ready to compete on the global stage. But modernization wasn't just about technology, it was about identity. Japan embraced Western ideas while fiercely holding on to its cultural heritage. The kimono met the suit, and traditional tea ceremonies coexisted with modern art and literature. By the early 20th century, Japan had become a force to be reckoned with. Its victory in the Russo-Japanese War of 1904-1905 shocked the world, proving that an Asian nation could defeat a European power. The Meiji era had turned Japan into an empire. If you enjoyed this journey through Japan's Meiji era, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from history brought to life in color. Thanks for watching.